Hi guys, back for another video, and this is my daughter. She's hanging around here. She promised me she's going to be very quiet. You're going to be very quiet? Yeah. So anyway, if you hear a little bit of noise in the background, that may be her. I just have to kind of kindly remind her. It's not in its normal bag because my daughter already commandeered the bag. This is my yasohyes for the month of September. I'm doing a bunch of videos all at once because we're leaving for vacation in a couple days, and I wanted to make sure I had all these videos up and running. So this is Believe in, I'm assuming, unicorns for September 2018, and they just give you a little card with the breakdown of the price. So everybody knew that they were going to get the Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette, and I was actually super excited about this. But I will tell you, when I got it, and I already pressed it back in here, it did not come with any little thing to keep from flaking. You know how they have like a little plastic layer thing over there? And this one had almost popped out. I pressed it all back in there. So you can see it's just a little bit messed up, but it had almost fallen out. The bag had said fragile on it, but I don't think my mail carrier was that fragile with it. Anyway, so this is a highlighter palette. I was going to swatch a few of these to give you guys a clue or a feel for these things. So the top one is kind of an orangey. You got two ones that are kind of orangish, pinkish, so orangey, pinkish, and then kind of like a purpley. These are really pretty, but very iridescent-y. I don't know how much I will wear these per se, more than just play with them. They are pretty though. I love me some highlighter. And then the bottom one is kind of a green, a blue, and a yellow. So you can see, like, even though I pressed that blue one in, that is just precarious. I'm going to have to probably take some, what's it called, alcohol and put it on there so you can see, like, I got way too much of the blue one on there to keep it from, you know, going all over the place. So don't mind the blue one's a little intense there because it is super flaky. But those are it. I don't know how much I'll use this palette. It's really pretty. These actually could be used as like a very subtle highlight for inner corner on eyeshadows, which is probably what I'm going to use it more. Okay, sweetie, thank you. But yeah, I was a little disappointed that this broke. I don't think it's the company's fault. But yeah, that's my only casualty. That's the first time I've actually really had a casualty on my makeup boxes, so I'm actually surprised. But that wasn't the worst thing in the world. Alright, so that one is $32. I've never gotten anything from this brand, but that seems nice enough. Next one here, and I'm not going to open it up, is this. This is the Aesthetica Pro Series 3-piece eye and brow brush. Now, I already have this from a previous boxycharm like 4 months ago. I absolutely love this set. I use the spoolie a ton. I use this one a little bit, and then this one when I do use eyeliner. I haven't decided if I'm going to pass this on to a family member or give this away because I already have a set that I'm using, or just keep this until I wear out my other set. But I'm not going to open it until I decide. I may give this away because this is really nice. I do like this. I just already have one. So this is $45. Alright, next thing here is the Everglow Girl and Glow Boy Fave. This I have, I think I got this brand last month and it was a lippy. This is a liquid lip. I'm getting a ton of liquid lips this month in matte, which is not my favorite thing in the world, but I guess we're going into fall, so it kind of fits with it. So this is in Sugar Dumpling is the color. And it says it's a semi-matte liquid lipstick for $18. So this is the applicator, and I'm just going to show you the formula. It is a darker formula. It's not a bad color. Again, a little bit darker than I tend to reach for, but I can't fault them on it. It is definitely, I'm sorry, looking for my mirror here. I promise I'm not ignoring the video. It's definitely not a color I probably would reach for. Oh, it's really watery. I don't know about this, guys. This is hard to put on.
At least I'm practicing with you.
Wow, I'm not sure I like this. You need a lip liner. This is like super messy. It's definitely more watery. I'm gonna wipe this one off. And this one you need a lip gloss for. I mean, not a lip gloss. You need a liquid liner. Not my favorite. I'll have to play with that one a little bit more, but not the best for demonstrating. Alice, you promised quiet. All right, and that was that. And then the final product here, which I do like, is this Cella Beauty matte lipstick. Now I love these matte lip crayons because they're more like a balm with a more matte appearance, so they're not as shiny as a lipstick. And I am absolutely loving these types of things. So this is the color. It is definitely more of a bright reddish pink. It smells like a eucalyptusy spearmint. It's an interesting smell. I just find these things are easier to put on. They're less drying. I have a Revlon one that I'm absolutely loving right now. A little bright for my darker than I would run to, but it's pretty. It makes my lips tingle because I'm sure it has a little bit of spearmint or something in there. It doesn't really say. But yeah, not bad. I probably need a lip liner as well on it, but I definitely like this better than the liquid lipstick. I'm gonna have to play around with the liquid lipstick. Now, I do like seeing this. It's more liquidy. It's not drying down super fast, so it definitely will. I'll probably like it if I can play with it a bit more, but it's difficult to use. I like this form better. So that is the products. So it says it's 119 value. I don't know if I pay 119, but this is like a $17 subscription when everything's said and done. $17 or $18 because you pay, I think it's like 15 or something like that, and then you get enough to pay for shipping, a couple more bucks for shipping. So overall, I thought this was really nice. I thought the theme was adorable. The lips, I kind of wish they had put something instead of 2 lip products. You know, it would have been fun if they had put maybe like an eyeshadow or a blush or something else, but at least one of the lip products I do really like. It's a little darker than that, but I think it looks good. I like the lip crayon. Yeah, so that's that. I'll put my link below if you guys are interested. I do get a commission for it, but honestly, I don't know if anyone's actually signed up using it, and I don't anticipate a lot of money. But if you're interested, you can link below. I think everyone and their dog probably has a commission link for this. But yeah, anyway, tell me what you think of the subscription. I'm still going to keep doing it. Overall, it's not a bad one. It's unique. Although I do find every once in a while you do get some repeats. But, sorry, my daughter is back over here again. But I do think it is quite, kind of gives you a little different stuff. So I kind of like it. It's fun. I'm going to keep doing it for a while and then kind of see if I want to continue on past there. So anyway, thanks guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.